welcome to Curious Tortoise Tutorials. In tutorials, I'm going to tell you how I make 3D animations in my YouTube videos. Today we are going to make Mars, and software I'm using is Blender. Now press. Oh wait, first make sure you are in Cycles Render. Yeah, from up there. Now press X to delete that cube. Yes. Press Shift A in Mesh, press the UV sphere, and from that menu press Smooth. If you don't have that menu, press T, and yes, press Smooth. Now from up there in that menu, add the modifier Subsurf, and the view should be at 1. Yeah, so now, oh sorry, that was camera view. Now, yeah, delete that lamp and add our sun. Of course, it's a space view, we need our sun. Shift A, and down there from lamp, sun. Now put it up there. Yeah, right. Now drag from there. Yes. Yeah, right. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, okay. Now in the menu down there, open the node editor. Yeah. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry, that was sun's node. Let me select the sphere. Wait a minute. Yeah. New material. Yeah. Now press Shift A and then search for texture coordinate. Yeah, here it is. And now again Shift A, search image texture. Yeah, so now the link is in description for the image of Mars. Now let me select my yeah. Now generated output in texture coordinate should be added to vector. Yeah, but before, get to the rendered view. Now before starting, I want to increase the shine of our sun. Let me see. Yeah, perfect. And the background should be pure black as it is space. Yeah. Now, oh, get your sphere. Now the generated output should go to the image texture and the color to color to the color. Yeah. Here's our Mars, but it looks a bit weird. Yeah, so in the third panel, select sphere. Now it is looking good. But I don't want that view. I want the front view of Mars. So go to solid view and select our sun. Take it down there. Pressing R, rotate it. Then pressing R 2 times, rotate it towards our Mars. Yeah. Now get back to rendered view. Perfect. You can even rotate Mars by pressing R, but first select and solid view. I want the upward portion of Mars to be seen, the poles of Mars. So yeah, it's alright. Now you can rotate it. Oh, oops. The sun is rotating. Yeah, but it looks good. Now select your sphere, press R, press it 2 times, and now we can rotate it. And I can get my North Pole. You can get whichever view you want. Now for better picture quality, I will set the preview to 100. Sampling, yeah. Now it looks good. Now we can render it. We've got our Mars. But first my pole. Yeah, got it. Perfect. Now let's render it. I will set it to GPU. If you have a nice graphic card, you can also select that. Tilings to 256 by 256. And I will set the picture quality to 100%. You can set whatever you want. First, select the right file format. 100%. Now let's render it. But wait, before rendering it, we have to set our camera. Now get back to solid view. Oh, here's our camera. By pressing numpad 0, you can see where our camera is. Now we do not want that menu down there. Oops. Get back to 3D view. Here's our camera. Now grab it again. Yeah. Set one of the views to rendered view. And press 0. Here's our camera. Now we can see what our which picture is our camera taking. Now set it as you want. I want it from the front. Press R for rotating it 2 times. Yeah. Let me adjust it. Okay. Yeah. It's a bit complicated. I'm getting used to it. Yeah. Now I'm getting my view. Just a bit. Yes. Yes. Oh, wait. Let me get. Yeah. That's the view. Love it. Love it. Now here's our view. Let me bit zoom. Yeah, so I've got my view. Now I will render it. Hey, yes, we've got a Mars. Yeah, it's just near completion. Yes, we made it. Yeah. Now let's save image. Save an image. Now save it wherever you want. You can get there. I'll save it in my collection. Save as image. Done. But first name it. I'll name it Mars. You can name it anything like Red Planet or something like that. Yeah, finally made something cool. Yeah, so thanks for watching. And wait for next videos. Tap the bell icon. you can get notification, of course. That's what it is for. Okay, sayonara, and really thanks for watching. I will try to get my new video soon, and yes, there's a surprise. I'm preparing for a playlist. That's a surprise. Thanks for watching.